Hello, Marketing 220. Today we're going to talk about Chapter 11. Chapter 11 might just be one of the best chapters in the book. It talks about sales, promotion, and point of purchase. Guys, you've got to get this chapter right in the real world. On page 218 it even talks about how McDonald's increased sales of breakfast revenues just by giving away free coffee. Now you're saying giving away free coffee, how does that boost their revenue? Because more people buy the product just for the free coffee. You've got to get the items in this chapter correct. For example, make sure you look over here at Exhibit 11.3 on page 225. Make sure you read the chapter for one. Make sure you read up on sweepstakes on page 228. And obviously toward the back of the chapter we're going to talk about POPs, or point of purchase, POPs. But today's assignment, I should say this week's assignment, is to make a sales promotion poster board. You can put it on a Word document and copy and paste stuff. You cannot use PowerPoint. You can draw it. You can electronically draw it. You can do whatever you want to do it. But we want a sweepstakes sales promotion type thing. So what that requires, and we're going to place this at a place of purchase. So it's going to be a sales presentation or sales promotion involving sweepstakes, and we're going to place it at a point of purchase. What I'm looking for is a draw of some type. You've got to get us a display and the sweepstake tickets somewhere attached to the display. You've seen them throughout the stores, I'm sure. Now, I want to make sure we're clear. We want a display and we want a sweepstakes. Make sure you read up on what a sweepstakes is. Are you with me? So you're going to have some type of draw to this. You're going to have some little type of entry forms. You're going to draw it, you're going to create it, you can copy and paste, whatever you want to do, you just can't use a PowerPoint. And then in your video for this week, you're going to display your point of purchase sweepstakes sales promotion and explain why you've placed what you have where. Are you going to put the entry forms at the top or at the bottom or on the side? What is going to be your main draw? Now, the point of purchase is the small little almost impulse buy is a mini flashlight. A mini flashlight for $1.99. And we're going to have a point of purchase display sweepstakes advertising a $1.99 little pocket flashlight. You with me? You're going to draw it up on poster board or on a piece of paper, as long as you can hold it in front of the camera and describe why you did what you did. That's what we're looking for. Now, when you're replying to your classmates, you're going to look at their point of purchase sweepstakes display and let them know what it really gets you to put your signature and email on a sweepstakes, an address. Again, you have to tell us what's on the sweepstakes form, right? Are you going to ask for email address? Of course you're going to ask for email address. Everybody does. All right? So hopefully, now remember, you owe me two things. You owe me the display that's going to get my attention, and then you need the sweepstakes forms themselves. So you got to describe two things to us. Now remember, it's a $1.99 pocket flashlight. It's a point of purchase. We're not going to advertise on TV or radio. It's just right there at the counter. And let's see what you do. But guys, let's not lessen Chapter 11. There's a lot of information here that you've got to get right in the real world. So please, really look at Chapter 11. Alright, so that is one, sales promotion for a point of purchase, $1.99 flashlight. I want a sweepstakes some type of display to get my attention, and we'll see how you do. Thanks.